Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Harvey. Now you're probably wondering, what's happened since the last episode? Well, a lot. After the success of the last episode, I knew we were destined for bigger and better things. So we've gone international to Portugal, the home of great food. We all know what it's famous for: Peronaise, peri salted chips, peri sauce, Nando's, and loads of other great things. While I've been here, I've been doing so much great things, like hitting the pool,
Nonce!
playing basketball, using the hammock, and some cultural things we don't have back in the UK. In hot country like this, you always need to stay hydrated, and that's my one tip to you new chefs out there. Now we've got the entire Mediterranean style, we can move on with the cooking. Now, of course we know Harvey, he loves a chef snack. Pip, remember it. Delicious. While I'm cooking, I also love a beer. Trip. Now, I know how much you guys loved the last episode where I made a sandwich, and I thought I wanted to keep suit, but an upgrade. So this time I'm making a steak sandwich. Ooh. Now, of course, we need a quick overview of the ingredients. First of all, we've got the Hellmann's mayonnaise, because we're going to be making a delicious mayonnaise with a little bit of Dijon mustard and, of course, a little bit of lemon. Nothing but the best. Now, here we have the cousin of the bloomer loaf, the bloomer roll. Doesn't it just look tantalising already? And finally, the steak, for all you vegans out there. Delicious. So, I'm going to be barbecuing the steak, a little bit of salt and pepper, get it nicely delicious, and bam, in the roll. Okay, now, a vital part of our steak sandwiches is a beautiful mayonnaise that we're going to be making. So, it's simple. Mayonnaise in the bowl, with half as much Dijon mustard as mayonnaise. It's quite potent stuff. You don't want too much. Now, lemon into the squeezer. It's a Portuguese thing. Don't worry about it. It's getting there. Lemon juice. A bit of salt. And then simply, finally, a little bit of pepper. Mix that up. So, here we have, all mixed up, a delicious Dijon mayonnaise. Delicious. Okay, now for the steaks. Today, we've gone for a lovely sirloin steak. It's a little bit tough, but it holds more flavour than the fillet, which is perfect for barbecuing. So, we're going to lay down all the steaks in here. Now I've got them cut quite thin by the Barbie. A good amount of salt. A well-seasoned steak always goes down well. Don't have to be complex with flavours, and simply a bit of pepper. A good grind. Make sure they're nice and spicy. Turn them over and do the same on the other side with a little bit of oil. Oh, hi guys. Welcome back to the next clip. Now, we're cooking the steaks on the Barbie. So, I prepared it already. Now, I've got a few little coals, like this, sizzling away. Don't touch that with your fingers. Now, that's sizzling away, nice and hot. So when we have the steak, it'll cook really quickly. But before we cook the steak, we need to do the rolls. We want a nice toastage. So when we spread the Dijon mustard on, with the mayo, the lemon juice, it won't go soggy. Because no one likes things that are soggy, eh? Okay, so now the barbecue is up to temperature, so we can begin to toast the buns. We want a nice toastage like I mentioned earlier. I'll get back to you when it's all done. Delicious. Can I just reiterate, don't touch that with your fingers because it is very hot. Shit. Okay, so now the rolls are toasted, we can cook the steak, the all-important part. So, you want to put it on the griddle. Each one on. And the coals are really, really hot. So it's going to get a nice char. You can hear that sizzle already. So, put that on. Put it in there. And you want about a minute on each side. And then it'll be nice and done. And we can build the sandwiches. Okay, so now the steaks are really flame grilled. Look at those grill lines. So we're going to take each one off. And begin to cook and prepare the sandwiches. No speaking, just cooking.
Cool.
Okay, now we've made it. We can begin to prepare the sandwich. First, we're just going to lay a bit of that mayonnaise, with that mustard. Nice good layer. Next, a little bit of lettuce. Now I'm fat, so I don't want too much. Pun intended. And then the beautiful grilled steak. Don't go easy on it. You want plenty. And then a beautiful roll to top it off. And there we have it. A delicious steak sandwich. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Different bit of a spin on the video, a bit more serious, more of a complex dish. Let me know if you like that. A new competition starting next week. Funniest comment gets a shout out in the next video. Thanks to Will Elan. Post your comments down below. Remember to like, comment and subscribe.